Good morning, students. See question number 16. Two charges when kept at a distance of 1 meter apart in vacuum has some force of repulsion. If the force of repulsion between these two charges be same when placed in an oil of dielectric constant 4, the distance of separation will be how much? Force is same, distances are different, means shortcut will be r dash is equal to r by root k. R value 1, root k is 4, root 4, so 1 by 2, 0.5 meter. So option for this is 0.5 meter. Next 17. The excess number of electrons that must be placed on each two small pairs spaced 3 centimeter apart with force of repulsion between the spheres to be 10 power minus 19 Newton is. Some force is given, two spheres are separated by some 3 centimeter distance. Force between them is given. Then we will calculate charge. From that we will calculate the number of electrons. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by r square. This is 10 power minus 19. This is 9 into 10 power 9 and q square, r value 3 centimeter. 3 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. If we calculate q square is equal to 10 power minus 19, 9 into 10 power minus 4 by 9 into 10 power 9. So q square, if we calculate, minus 23 minus 9 minus 32. Q value is equal to 10 power minus 16. This is NE is equal to 10 power minus 16. N into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 is equal to 10 power 16 minus 16. N is equal to 10 power minus 16 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. This is 0.625 into 10 cube. This value will be 625. Okay, just do the calculation, you will get the answer. Once again you listen, calculation only, that is 625. Next 18. A charge q is fixed to three corners of a square. On the empty corner, a charge capital Q is placed such that there is no electrostatic force acting on the diagonally opposite charge. Then already we discussed in the synopsis this question. This value will be second option, capital Q is equal to minus 2 root 2 Q. Just check it. 19. Electric force between the 2 point charges is 200 Newton. One charge is increased by 10%, another is decreased by 10%. Electrical force and the electrical force between them for the same distance. Distance is same, charge magnitudes are changed. F dash by F is equal to Q1 dash Q2 dash by Q1 Q2. Distance is same. F dash by, this is 200. One charge increased by 10%. Another charge decreased by 10%. And QQ same only. Okay. Q, this will cancel. F dash is equal to 200 into 1.1 into 0.9. So if we calculate this value, you will get 198 newtons. Understanding? So 19, it will be first option. Next 20. n fundamental charges each of charge q are to be distributed as 2-point charges separated by a fixed distance. Then the maximum to minimum force bears as the ratio. N charges are there. Each charge is q. So what is the total charge nq? It is divided into two parts such that force between them is maximum. Means how to divide? Charge on one will be nq by 2. Charge on another will be nq by 2. Like this, if you divide, force between them will be maximum. To have force between them as minimum, how to divide them is, one is n minus 1 into q, another one will be 1 into q. So n minus 1, 1. Like that, if you divide the charges, force between them will be minimum. To have the maximum force, it should be divided equally. So then maximum to minimum ratio, how much force? Distance is same only. So this is nq by 2, nq by 2 divided by n minus 1 into q, 1 into q, nothing but q only. Q will cancel, n square by 4 into n minus 1. So 20, this will be third option. Clear? 1 to 15 questions we selected from the booklet. So no need to discuss 1 to 15. That's why I started from 16 onwards. Just you go through the previous videos if you have any doubt. Just for encouraging you, to motivate you, we selected 15 questions from the booklet, 10 questions from other books. Like that we selected. So just go through the previous videos of we completed in the exercise. 1 to 15 answers you will get. Okay. Next, 21 you see, dielectric of dielectric constant 4 is kept between the two charges, so that force decreases to 1 by n times. So F dash becomes F by K. So this is F by 4. 1 by n times force becomes means F by n is equal to F by 4. N value is equal to 4. So answer for this will be 4. Next, each of the 2-point charges are doubled and their distance. Already here proofreaded paper is there, and distance is halved. Force of interaction between them becomes n times. So F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by a square. F dash, what happened? Each is doubled. So 2q. Distance is halved, a by 2. This is 16, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square by a square. This is 16f. This is, assume it as 1. So n times force increases. Then n value how much means 16. So this value will be 16. Okay, that is 22. Next, see 23. 10 power 19 electrons are removed from a neutral body. So Q is equal to N into E. 10 power 19, 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. So 1.6 coulombs. Q is K coulombs. K value is how much they are asking? 1.6. So answer for this is 1.6. 24. A charge Q is placed at the center of a cube, the flux through each face is q by n epsilon naught. Find n. There is a cube. A charge q is placed at the center. Then total flux will be q by epsilon naught. Q is having 6 faces. So flux from each face of the cube is equal to q by 6 epsilon naught. They gave q by n epsilon naught, means n value is equal to 6. So answer is 6. Next, last question you see. A charge q is placed at one corner of the cube. Here one charge is placed. To bring this charge into the closed surface, we have to arrange some 7 other cubes around it. Then only that charge will be in a closed surface. Then the total flux will be how much? Q by epsilon naught only. That flux is passing through all the 8 cubes. So flux from each cube will be q by 8 epsilon naught. In the previous problem, cube charge is placed at the center of the cube, flux from each face. Here flux from each cube. So that will be q by 8 epsilon naught. N value is equal to 8. Answer for this will be 8. Okay, this is the explanation. With this chapter is completed, and we'll start the second chapter. Okay.